Aldehydes are organic compounds with the structure RHO, where R is a linear or branched alkylene group. They are colorless, flammable, and have a strong odor. Aldehydes are involved in a variety of biological processes, such as the synthesis of hormones, vitamins, and neurotransmitters. They are also produced as byproducts during some chemical reactions. The most common aldehydes are methanol, formaldehyde, and acetaldehyde. These three aldehydes are distinguished by their reactivity. Methanol is the most reactive, formaldehyde is moderately reactive, and acetaldehyde is the least reactive. Methanol is commonly found in plants, especially in mushrooms. It is used as a flavoring agent in food and beverages. Formaldehyde is a byproduct of bacterial fermentation and is used as a preservative in some products, such as bread, fruits, and vegetables. Acetaldehyde is produced from the fermentation of sugars by yeast and is found in high amounts in alcoholic beverages. Some aldehydes, such as formaldehyde and acetaldehyde, can cause skin irritation, eye irritation, and respiratory irritation when exposed to high levels. Ingestion of high amounts of methanol can cause vomiting, diarrhea, and headaches. The characteristic absorption spectrum of aldehydes consists of a strong band at around 2.8 micrometers peak A and a less intense band at around 3.3 micrometers peak B. This absorption spectrum can be used to identify aldehydes in solution. In the laboratory, aldehydes are typically identified by their reaction with potassium iodide to form a purple product, iodine, which is detected by color change. Other methods include the reaction with silver nitrate to form a blue color, or with sodium borohydride to form a red color.